Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on high mesh quality in Fortnite settings. This gives denser collision and cleaner visuals, which matters for precise shots. Next, choose a simple template, ramp, wall, floor, so you can repeat the motion without confusion. Once done, grab a controlled material pool, 200 wood, 200 brick, 100 metal. This prevents mid-practice shortages. Practice a single build sequence slowly at first, because mastering consistency beats speed when you set up high meshes. Now you execute the repeated build edit pattern. Place ramp, wall, floor, then immediately edit the wall to create the high mesh window. This increases visible geometry for better lines of sight. Make sure to time your edits. Hold the edit for roughly 0, 2 to 0, 4 seconds so the mesh registers cleanly. Once you feel the rhythm, speed up progressively. At the same time, make sure to test with lower mouse or stick sensitivity so you can control precision before ramping pace. To finish, validate your technique under real conditions. Jump into a creative match or real game to test latency and recoil against live opponents. If the high meshes don't appear or feel inconsistent, toggle your graphics preset and restart Fortnite to reload mesh assets. This simple restart often fixes mesh desync. Finally, record a 10-20 second clip and review your timing. Adjust the edit hold between 0, 15 and 0, 5 seconds until the window lines up reliably under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.